this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm going to fix I think of it as a southern dish. I'm not sure whether it is or not, but we're fixing fried chicken livers. And I've got 3 medium onions, probably small, 1 medium, 2 small onions in here, and I've got 1 stick of butter. And yes, you heard it right, butter. I am using butter now. I just use like margarine on bread, toast, whatever, but everything else I cook with, I'm using butter because y'all told me to. So now I'm using butter. And I've got 2 packs. Oh, and I've got about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, just regular olive oil in here, and 1 stick of butter, and then the 3 onions. And I have 2 packs of chicken livers, and that's the only thing we like is chicken livers. And so I am going to put, I've got a few in here, and I've got the onions heating up, and the oil's already hot. So what I do is, in this flour, this is just regular flour, and I've got about a tablespoon of salt, kosher salt, and a tablespoon of coarse ground black pepper in here. And it doesn't matter how much flour you put in it, just enough that you think will cover your chicken tenders. And then I put the chicken tenders in here, and then I put them on top of the onions, because I mean, chicken livers, to me, I probably wouldn't eat them myself if it wasn't for the onions. I think the onions play a big part in them. They're really, really good. So, I've got them on 275 on my new wave, so that's medium. And I'm going to fry these, and it's probably going to take a couple batches. And you can see I'm just putting them on top of the onions, and then I'll flip them in a little while, and I'll cook them until they get done, and I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. I just wanted to show you, I got all of the livers in this pan, but it's a little bit too full. I had to put some more, probably another 2 tablespoons of olive oil in here. And you want them to be like the onions, to be crispy like they are. These are going to really be good. But I do have too many in here. But I've got to cook mashed potatoes too after I cook these. So I went on and tried to get all of them in here, and I probably made a mistake by doing that. But anyway, you just fry them until they get done, and there's no more pink in them, and you cannot, they're like a grayish color when they get done. So I'm gonna let these cook a whole lot longer, and I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. This is the next day. My kids were over here, and we ate, and I didn't have time to finish the video, so I had leftovers, and I'm going to finish it today. I know how these were. They were amazing. My kids loved them. Chicken livers are wonderful if you cook them with in the butter and with the onions. And the little, I always have little pieces left, which is the onions that have fried up, and along with the flour, and it's so good. These are so good. I'm sorry I didn't get back to you on this and had to eat leftovers, but they're just wonderful today. I just heated them up in the microwave, and they are so good. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and look below for links to my Facebook food prepping page, to my Twitter, and to various links below where you can, one of them is Zacon Farm Fresh Meats, where you can go to their website and see if they come to your area, and then sign up to get some amazing deals. They have awesome meats there. It's farm fresh meats, and they come to your town, and you have a pickup spot in your town where you go and pick up the meats, and they're really good deals, and the meat is really good. And also there'll be links to different things you can purchase that I use in my videos and I used to cook with. And so I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.